Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 739 daily temperature. This is the one of the most important stack problem on the LeetCode because it introduced the concept of monotonic stack which frequently asked in a coding interview. So let's get started. We are given an array of daily temperature. For each day we need to find how many days have we have to wait until the warm temperature appears. If there is no warm day in the future, then the answer for the day will be 0. So let's understand with an simple example. Suppose the temperature are 73, 74, 75, 71, 69, 72, 76 and 73. For first day temperature is 73. The next warmer temperature is 74, which comes after one day. So the answer is 1. For temperature 74, the next day warmer temperature is 75. So again the answer is 1. For 75, we have to wait until it's 76, which comes after 4th day. So the answer becomes 4. The final output is the simplest solution is for every temperature, check all the temperature after it. As soon as we find the warmer temperature, store the number of the day. This work, but the in the worst case, we compare every element with each other element. So the time complexity becomes O into n square. So can we do better? Yes. The important observation is instead of checking everyday future temperature again and again, we can reminder the temperature that are till waiting for the warmer day. This is exactly where the monotonic stack help us. The approach is very simple. We will use the stack that store the temperatures. The stack will keep the temperature in decreasing order. Now travel the array from left to right. If the current temperature is greater than the temperature at the top of the stack, then we will find the next warmer day. Remove that index from the stack. Calculate the difference of the day. Store the answer. Repeat until the stack becomes complete empty or the current temperature is not warm. Finally, push the current index into the stack. So let's start with the code. So this is the basic code for this question. Let's start. L- Now let understand with the code first. We create the answer of the array with the 0. Why 0? Because if no warmer day exists, the answer remains 0. Next, we create a stack. The stack store indicates node temperature. Now travel the array. Inside the while loop, we check the temperature of the current whether greater than the temperature stored at the top of the stack. If it is, then we have to find the next warmer day. We remove that index, calculate the difference current index minus previous index, store the answer array. Finally, push the current index into the stack after the loop finished. Return the answer. So that was the solution for LeetCode 739 daily temperature. The main idea is to use monostack to avoid unnecessary time complexity and reduce the time complexity from O into n square to O into n. So if the explanation helped you, make sure you like the video, please subscribe the channel and comment which LeetCode problem you want next. Thank you for watching.